Let's look at some of the features of the third generation PropSava SCRV Power Optimisation System. The PropSava SCRV is a third generation computer controlled automatic voltage regulator and stabilizer, a main power optimization system where sites experience main voltage delivery over 220 volts, electrical equipment is overpowered, power is wasted, and all electrical equipment suffers premature failure with reduced life expectancy. Power sizes of the PropSava are from 50 kVA to 2000 kVA, that is 75 amps to 3000 amps. Dynamic digital voltage control gives the user the ability to change the output voltage on each phase between 210 and 230 volts at any time without site power interruption. Let's have a look at the 5 power optimization benefits using the third generation PropSava SCRV. The benefits in overvoltage supply areas are: reduce your electricity costs, reduce your carbon tax, reduce early replacement of overstressed electrical equipment, reduce maintenance costs of electrical equipment, reduce your CO2 footprint. And here's what the experts say. A 230 volt linear appliance used on a 240 volt supply will take 4.3% more current and will consume almost 9% more energy. This is taken from the UK Electrician's Guide produced by the Institute of Electrical Engineers. They also said that a 234 bulb used at 240 volts will achieve only 55%, that's under half of its rated life. One way to reduce electricity is to install voltage optimizers. These maintain constant voltage in the building, avoiding the regular variations in grid supply voltage and maintaining the operational voltage at a constant and efficient value. Let's look at some proof of savings using the third generation PropSava SCRV. Let's examine one of the 5 benefits of power optimization in an overvoltage supply site: reducing site power and electricity bills. Now, this is easily demonstrated on the PropSava using its unique regulation off, reg off, and regulation on, reg on safety system. This is a manual and automatic electronic facility that stops and starts PropSava regulation without any interruption of site power. By noting the difference in site power shown on the display panels between reg off and reg on, we can calculate the value and benefit of power optimization to any site. Let's look at an example of proof of savings. To measure the site's existing power use, we reg off. There is no interruption to the site power during this procedure. Here is the display panel showing the site's normal power use. The mains incoming voltage is between 242 and 247 volts. And you can see the site is using 36.5 kilowatts of power without regulation. Now we must reg on to see if the site power is reduced. And again, there is no interruption to the site power. The site is now using only 29.4 kilowatts of power. This means that the PropSava has reduced the site's owner's electricity bill by 19.45%. So what would you do with an extra 19.45% of savings? The PropSava SCRV, third generation, purpose-built power optimization system, saves more power and costs than any other voltage or power optimization system in the world.